Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to generate a writing text effect using DaVinci Resolve 18. Begin by opening the Effects panel and closing the Media pool to clear your workspace. Navigate to the Title section, select the Text Plus option, and drag it directly onto your timeline above your footage. Stretch the text clip so its duration matches your video. Highlight the text clip and access the Inspector menu at the top right. Under the Video tab, locate the custom title box and enter your desired phrase, such as, "Dancing is my life." To achieve a classic typewriter appearance, I recommend switching the font to Courier New. Adjust the size of your text until it looks right for your project. To animate the text, scroll down to the right on Property. Position your playhead at the start of the clip and slide the end value down to 0. Click the diamond icon to set a keyframe. Now, move the playhead to the point where you want the writing to finish and increase the end value back to 1. This creates a smooth letter-by-letter animation between those 2 points. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next guide.